Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a tiny small cap SME stock where Amitabh Bachchan has made an entry during the last quarter with an acquisition of 3,32,800 shares. Now, most of us know Amitabh Bachchan as just a very successful and well-known actor, but he's also a very accomplished investor with many multi-baggers over the years. Friends, if you have not already become channel members on Profit and Equities, please click on the blue join button and follow the steps to do so. This will entitle you to member-only privileges on Profit and Equities. Also friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is DP Wires Limited, which is available at Rs 70.05 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Amitabh Bachchan in this particular company stands at 2.45%. The symbol for it is DPWIRES. Now DP Wires Limited is a renowned company at Ratlam having sound industrial background with extensive experience since year 1971 in the line of steel wire for construction, infrastructure, auto and power industries. Long experience and rich domain knowledge have enabled it to become an eminent exporter, manufacturer and supplier of premium quality steel wires and plastic products. Now, as is evident from the chart post listing, the company has not really done much and has been an underperformer throughout the entire year. Now, the company is a borderline stock between a micro cap and a small cap with a market capitalization of 95.04 crores. The EPS of 7.2507 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 9.66, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry PE of 20.52. The book value of 47.61 translates into a reasonable price to book ratio of 1.47, which is not very expensive. The debt to equity is also pretty low at 0.04, whereas the return on equity is a decent number at 0.1521. The company is still growing and hence does not pay out any dividends, whereas the promoter holding is a strong number and stands at 69.23%. Also, this company has a very decent sales growth of 14.52% over the last 3 years. Now please remember that this is an SME stock and hence must be traded in lots, and the market lot here is 1600. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.